joint replacement is one of the most restorative things that we can do for somebody. Our joint replacement program here at Mount Sinai consists of highly trained, highly specialized orthopedic surgeons who can handle problems from the most routine joint replacement to the most complex revision settings. That's the advantage of coming to Mount Sinai, is our physicians are specialty trained and are equipped to handle a variety of causes of arthritis and a variety of consequences of arthritis in the most expert way.
Joint replacements really do work. They last a long time. They give people their function back. The surgery now has gotten so streamlined. We have a really tight pathway here.
I think of Mount Sinai Orthopedics as a boutique department in a very large institution. All the surgeons here were very hands-on. Even though we are a teaching and a learning institution, we're very hands-on and we take care of patients directly.
It's not as if the episode of care just consists of the surgery itself, but the whole journey from the preoperative planning through the surgery, as well as postoperative care.
We have a great team of caregivers.
Nurses, physician's assistants, and patient navigators who are familiar with our Mount Sinai quality program, and they assist patients in their journey for joint replacement.
It's not a conveyor belt. You know, this is not a car manufacturing plant where you're kind of in and out and you're anonymous and, you know, there's not a lot of personal treatment. I think people really get a lot of kind of hands-on kind of personal treatment at all levels in their, as they go through the experience of a total joint here. We get a lot of patients that say, I felt taken care of the whole way through.
It's just very gratifying just to get that big smile and see the patient walking and telling us that they're back to living their life fullest. It's not just about getting their motion back, it's really leading their life and being able to do things that they weren't able to do for many years sometimes.
And that's what joint replacement is about, restoring movement and then subsequently a pain-free life as well as freedom.